In this specific video, I will show you how to properly build a business on YouTube. If you've ever felt stuck on that content creation hamster wheel, just making videos and crossing your fingers that they do well, you are in the exact right place. We're going to walk through a clear plan so you stop chasing views and start building a real monetizable system. Here's a big number to start: 1 billion. People watch over 1 billion hours of YouTube every day on TV screens alone. That doesn't even include phones, tablets, or laptops. To make it clear, YouTube is bigger than Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime. It's the new TV. The attention here is huge, and there's never been a better time to tap into it as you move from creator to contentpreneur. Which sets up one obvious question. If there is so much attention and so much opportunity out there, why do most YouTubers stay completely broke? What is the trap that catches almost every single aspiring digital entrepreneur when they first start a channel? Let's dive into this because the root of the problem lies in a simple identity crisis. See, most people try to be content creators. They wake up and ask themselves, what content should I make today? Their entire focus is just chasing views and vanity metrics, kind of hoping to get lucky with AdSense. But successful channels are run by contentpreneurs. Instead, they start by asking, what problem do I solve? They focus entirely on selling solutions and building a targeted business. Think about a traditional TV channel like ESPN. When you tune in, you know exactly what you're getting. Sports. If they suddenly stopped showing sports and started, broadcasting cooking shows, you change the channel immediately. You have to treat your YouTube channel exactly the same way, consistently delivering a specific solution to a specific audience. And this reveals a foundational rule of online business. People don't buy information, they buy transformation. Think about it. Information is everywhere. We are all basically drowning in it. What a person really wants is simply to go from their current painful reality to their desired reality. Your video or your digital product or your offer, it's just the vehicle that transports them across that gap. So to actually provide that transformation, you've got to know exactly who you're talking to. We call this the avatar. This is your specific target customer dealing with a specific painful problem. Notice I said customer, singular, not customers. Because if you try to make content for everybody, you end up reaching absolutely nobody. And you want the ultimate cheat code here? Your avatar is very often just a past version of yourself. The easiest way to succeed is to just use your 20/20 hindsight. Create the exact content you wish you had 2, 5, or 10 years ago. So the crucial point is specificity equals sales. Now it feels completely counterintuitive. I get it. You might naturally think that narrowing your focus will shrink your audience, but clarity is what actually converts. When you really drill down into a specific painful problem for a specific person, you'll be shocked to find out just how massive that buyer pool actually is. Broad content gets broad empty views. Specificity gets sales. Okay. Forget everything you think you know about the YouTube algorithm. Because believe it or not, YouTube actually started as a dating site. Seriously, the original goal was to match people looking for love based on common interests. Today, the platform operates on that exact same foundational engine. It's just a matchmaking engine designed to pair a pool of viewers on one side with a pool of videos on the other, based entirely on what they're interested in. And this is brilliant news for us because it means everyone starts at zero. The algorithm doesn't care how many subscribers you have. It simply follows audience interest. If your content matches a viewer's interest, YouTube is going to serve it to them. Let's move on and see how this builds. Because when you combine these elements, you trigger the growth flywheel. You start by consistently solving a specific problem for your avatar. Because of that consistency, the matchmaking algorithm learns exactly who to pair you with and categorizes your content perfectly. And then suddenly the magic happens. Your organic traffic snowballs from search results, the home screen, even AI search summaries. This creates this compounding momentum where your past work continually fuels your future growth, bringing the exact right audience directly to you. But to keep that flywheel spinning, we have to look at the data correctly. We have to completely ignore vanity metrics. Honestly, stop looking at total views, likes, and subscriber counts. Subscribers are just little plastic trophies. They look nice on a shelf, sure, but they absolutely do not pay the bills. If you want to make money, you must track key performance indicators or KPIs. You need to obsess over your click-through rate, your average view duration, how many leads you're generating, and your actual sales. These are the real numbers that dictate business growth. And this brilliantly illustrates how you can reverse engineer your success. Those KPIs actually form a sequential flow of monetization. Think of it in 4 distinct phases. First is packaging. That's your title and thumbnail. This dictates your click-through rate. If your CTR is under 5%, well, don't complain about the algorithm. Fix your packaging. The second phase is content quality measured by average view duration. If your AVD is low, fix the video pacing and the overall value you're providing. Third is lead conversion, and fourth is the sale. So if people are watching but not buying, you know exactly where to troubleshoot. You need to fix your sales pages or your offers. To make those conversions happen smoothly, you really need to adopt a new mindset. Treat each and every single video like an offer. Now, basic human psychology tells us that people absolutely hate the feeling of being sold to. But conversely, they love buying solutions that pull them away from their pain. By treating your video as an offer, like a logical next step to alleviate their specific problem, you aren't pushing a sale. You're offering a literal lifeline. But remember this critical distinction. Your YouTube video is not the final goal. The video is simply a bridge on a platform you are renting. Think about it. We don't own YouTube. We don't own the algorithm. The actual goal is moving viewers across that bridge and onto an asset that you 100% own and control, like your email list. Platforms are inevitably going to change, but an audience you can communicate with directly, now that is a true lasting business asset. Now, what's really interesting about this is how you actually build that owned asset. You generally have two routes. The free route relies on giving away lead magnets. It generates a high volume of emails, but it kind of tends to attract freebie seekers. You know, people who just sign up for every free webinar and challenge, but rarely ever spend money. On the flip side, the paid route uses low-ticket digital products. Yes, the volume of emails you collect is going to be smaller, but the quality is exponentially higher because you're building a list of 100% proven buyers. Since managing and sending emails isn't free, a smaller list of proven buyers almost always beats a massive list of freebie seekers. And when you get those buyers and actually deliver on your promises, you trigger what's known as the binge and buy effect. It starts when you deliver a genuine transformation. Just basic human psychology kicks in. That buyer naturally becomes an evangelist for you. Think about it in your own life. When you find a great long guy who genuinely cares about his craft, or, I don't know, you discover an amazing new snack at Trader Joe's, what do? You tell your neighbors, your family, your friends. Those evangelists then bring in new buyers completely organically, essentially doing all your marketing for you. When you provide that level of value, high-pressure sales tactics become entirely obsolete. Why? Because money is simply a symbol that value has been exchanged. That's it. If you obsess over your avatar's problems and show up repeatedly as a trusted authority with lived experience, the revenue will naturally follow. Literally, people will actually start reaching out asking you how they can pay to work with you. So all of this culminates in the ultimate goal of the Contentpreneur, the triple I effect. By showing up consistently for your avatar, you build your influence, establishing yourself as a trusted authority. That influence then allows you to make a real impact by delivering genuine transformations to people's lives. And finally, the income? Well, that's just the natural byproduct of that influence and impact. This is exactly how you build a real business with peaceful profits, totally aligned with your true purpose. So as we wrap up this video, I want to leave you with one provocative question to really challenge your thinking today. What specific painful problem will your next video solve? It is time to stop chasing empty views, decide who you're going to help, figure out their absolute biggest pain point, and start building your micro niche business today. Continue watching to see a key component needed to transform your business today. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're ready to take your digital product sales to the next level, I have something truly exciting to share with you. Lead Creator AI is designed to revolutionize the way you connect with your audience and boost your online sales effortlessly. Imagine having a powerful tool that not only understands your business needs, but also helps you create targeted leads that convert. This is your chance to see it in action and discover how it can transform your sales strategy. I invite you to watch the exclusive demo presented by the founder of Lead Creator AI. This is more than just a product demonstration. It's a glimpse into the vision and passion behind the technology. The founder shares insights on how Lead Creator AI is tailored to help you achieve the success you've been striving for. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing digital product sales, this tool provides smart automation, lead generation, and customer engagement strategies that work seamlessly. The demo will show you how easy it is to integrate Lead Creator AI into your current workflow, saving you time and increasing your revenue potential. It's designed to be user-friendly so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing products. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your business. Watching the demo is the first step toward unlocking the full potential of Lead Creator AI. You'll see real examples of how it can help you attract more customers, nurture leads, and close sales faster than ever before. The success stories from users just like you are inspiring and prove that with the right tools, your digital products can reach new heights. Take a moment now to click the link below and start your journey to greater success.